Today I want to do a review of this Tiger rice cooker. The reason why we chose this rice cooker was because we were looking for something compact but also reliable and could cook the amount of rice that we needed. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see here, we have 4 buttons for cooking on the front of this machine. The first one here is for plain rice. Then you have a button for synchro cooking, brown rice, and slow cooking and steaming as well. And then there's the off button as well as the keep warm button. The rice cooker comes with a nice spatula to scoop out your rice and then mix it up so it cooks evenly. And then in the back here, you can see a handle for easy maneuvering. On the front, you also have this nice easy to open button that flips open the lid. And inside the rice cooker, you'll find an orange receptacle that can help hold items that you want to use for steaming. This is nicely on top of the rice pot. The rice pot underneath is also really nice. It has some measurement labels on the side for plain and brown rice for the amount of rice and water you need to use for your cooking. When you're all done, they all store nicely together inside the rice cooker, and you can use the handle for easy transport and storage.
Just want to give a demonstration about how well this rice cooker cooks rice. I have about a cup of brown rice here. Put the water level to about the 1 cup marking. Go and hit brown rice and let it do its thing. It takes about 45 minutes to cook a cup of brown rice. And once it's done, voila. You can see here, the rice is super soft and super evenly cooked. And it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.